everyone, today I'm going to show you how to multi-line dial from your smart list and then how to use some pretty cool automations to be able to move people through a sales pipeline inside of your smart list. So let me show you what it looks like first. You select all of your contacts, click the dialer, go ahead and connect. And I'm using the wave dialer. Going to dial and someone's going to answer.
Oh,
Okay, so Lane just
hello.
answered. Say I'm talking to them
Hello.
and I book an appointment. I'm
Hello.
gonna hang up and say appointment set for next week. And I'm going to save it. Now I have an automation that's gonna send a text, a confirmation text for that appointment. I didn't actually book an appointment. So that's why that custom value isn't filled out, but you get the idea. So let me show you how to do this. The first thing you're going to need to do is set up your smart list. So I have a couple of criteria for this smart list. This is my new leads smart list. So anytime I get new leads, I put them here. And the criteria for this smart list is the tag is new lead and the tag is not appointment set. Because when I'm calling all of these new leads, as soon as I book an appointment with them, I want it to be moved to a new list where I can follow up with them in a different way there. So if you want to create a smart list, you can create a new smart list. Like if you go over here to all, more filters, this is how you create your smart list. You go tag is appointment set, and then you apply that. That's how I created that other smart list. Okay, so once you've created your new lead smart list, then you're going to need to create a smart list for the next step in your sales funnel. In this case, I'm calling all of these new people because I want them to book an appointment. So I created another smart list that is an appointment set smart list. And here in my filters, I have the tag is appointment set. And then here I have the phone is not empty, which that's the only reason that the appointment set would be moving over anyways, is because I've called them. So that's probably not super necessary, but that's my criteria there. I could also say, and like tag is not new lead. And apply that there. Okay, so when I'm calling these people, I'm going to go ahead and open the dialer again. And I'm going to call them. So they all have the new lead tag. So that means they're in the new lead smart list. Someone's going to answer.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Sincere answered. So I'm going to hang
Hello.
up on Sincere and say that I talked to them. I booked the appointment. And I'm going to hit save. So I used automations to trigger this text and remove Sincere from the smart list, from the new lead smart list. So you'll see that Sincere is no longer in this smart list, but Sincere is in this smart list. And you'll see that the new lead tag is no longer on her contact, but the appointment set tag is. So I used automations and Wave custom dispositions to trigger this automation. So you guys probably didn't see me physically add the appointment set tag to the contact. So maybe some of you are wondering, how did that appointment set contact get added? And the answer is Wave custom dispositions. So here in the agency view, if you already added Wave, you're going to see the Wave admin button. And right here, we have call dispositions. And I have another video that dives deeper into call dispositions, but the general idea is you can add whatever dispositions you want, and then you can assign a tag to be added to a contact in association with the disposition. So when I was making that call before, I clicked appointment set, and then the tag appointment set was added to the contact. Then I used Wave automations to remove that new lead tag. So just as a reminder, here, new leads, they all have this new lead tag. Then I call them, I click appointment set in my Wave dispositions, and now there's an appointment set tag right here. So now you guys know how the appointment set tag is added, but you need to know how to remove the new lead tag. Some of you might already know, but for those of you that don't, you go to automations and then you can create an automation that removes a tag. So you want to set up your workflow trigger. And mine is the appointment set tag was added. So tag added, appointment set. When that tag is added and I'm adding it using the Wave custom dispositions, then I have an automation to remove the new lead. And when I remove the new lead tag, then it removes that lead out of the new lead smart list, if that makes sense, and adds it to that other smart list, which is the appointment set smart list. After I've moved them, then I can trigger a follow-up text. So for this, I have an appointment confirmation. It says, hey, your appointment for, I don't know, I could say tomorrow at 10 a.m. or whatever. I just used this custom value right here, appointment, start date, time, has been scheduled. We look forward to seeing you. Save that. Make sure to always save your workflows. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back and test it out. Let's go to contacts, new leads. This is my test high level, so it gives me all sorts of notifications. Click connect. And let's do a call session.
Hello. Hello.
This person just answered. I could book an
Hello.
appointment from here. You can also have an automation based on booking an appointment from here.
Hello.
I'm gonna hang up, appointment set. Nice guy, save. Then I'm gonna hit resume. And this time, because this person answered while I was talking to the other person, I have another video on that, what happens when multiple people answer when you're multi-line dialing. But because this person
Hello.
answered, we've called them back directly. I'm gonna hang up, I'm gonna hit appointment set, save that, and then the other person that answered, I'm also gonna call back. So if you guys are confused, make sure to watch my other video on callback messages. But this is pretty powerful. Here, we're just making sure that we call everyone that has answered, hit appointment set, we're gonna hit resume, and it's gonna go back to multi-line dialing.
Hello.
So this is working great. I love
Hello.
it. Appointment set, save. I'm gonna go ahead and close the dialer, close. So here in high level makes you, I just gotta go out and then come back in real quick. So here in new leads, you'll see that the list has gotten shorter, but then in appointment set, the list has gotten longer. There you go. All of those texts have been fired off. And now you can have all these different automations that are based on when your appointment is set, and you guys are good to go. This is so awesome. Did you see how quickly I just blazed through all those contacts? Like, how long would it have taken you to click through one by one and talk to all of these people? It was so much faster to just multi-line dial, especially when some people aren't answering. Like, say I call all these people and like 10 of them don't answer, then it's so nice to have the multi-line because it's going to connect me faster to the people that I really need to be talking to. So let me know what you guys think if you have any other questions, and have a great day.